I still remember the first time I saw this place with my own eyes more than a decade ago. I couldn't believe what I was seeing, and I still can't. This morning, though, the mountain was too shy to show itself. Well, we have no view of the mountain this morning, but that's how it goes. Day 2, still no mountain, but this is beautiful. No camera, no lens, no amount of skill can make a mountain appear from behind the clouds. We outdoor photographers don't set the rules out here. Nature follows its own terms. This raises the question though, is photography just a matter of luck? Of being at the right place at the right time? The mountain is out today. I'm grateful to finally see it, the mountain that has drawn my camera for so many years. But this one is not the most beautiful sunrise I've seen at Trillium Lake. I've lost count of how many times I've been here, dozens and dozens over the years. Every morning by the lake is magical, but some are truly special, and I've had some of those mornings in the past. But I keep coming back because something tells me the one is yet to come. That one morning, that one sunrise that will make this place shine like never before. Of course, that might never happen, but that's the hope we photographers need to carry with us to every location we visit. We can't wait to come back and see what show nature will put on for us. Well, it's raining. I knew that the chances for good photography this morning were pretty low, but I still wanted to come here because you gotta try. You just gotta get out because you never know. I'm gonna go on a little drive though because I think I know a location that might benefit from this weather. Curiosity will always beat gear and talent. Those who don't stop wondering what if, those who are open to seeing beyond the obvious, they are the ones who tend to get lucky most often. Of course, Trillium Lake wasn't the only place I visited. I hiked all around Mount Hood, returning to spots I first photographed years ago when I was just starting out. The mountains haven't changed much, but I have. Those days feel like a past life now. Yes, today anyone can make a great photograph. There are billions of people out there with a phone in their pocket. So incredible photography is just inevitable because magic happens every day somewhere and there's always someone to capture it. And yet, I believe many more magical moments go unnoticed, because there's so much more to being at the right place at the right time. Being there is of course a must, but it's not enough. We have to pay attention, especially when the magic is subtle. We need to develop our vision, because magic can be invisible to those who are not ready to see it. Yet another morning at the lake, yet a different view. Is always different here. Every day offers something different. It's pretty foggy here by the lake, but Mount Hood is out today, so we'll eventually get the view. I just need to wait a little bit longer. On my last day at Trillium Lake, I got what I wanted. Not the perfect sunrise I'll always be waiting for, but a view of the mountain I had rarely seen before. Subtle and gentle, barely visible through the fog and clouds. Photography is very much about luck, but it's far from being random. We can summon that luck. We can't control the weather or the light, but there's so much we can control. The most important part of the whole process: showing up and being present. The rest is just luck.